Hi friends, in this video we will learn more about nested dictionaries. When the value in a key value pair of a dictionary is another dictionary, then the outer dictionary is known as a nested dictionary. In simpler terms, it is a dictionary of dictionaries. For example, let us take a nested dictionary D containing keys, string A and string X. The value corresponding to string A is another dictionary containing key value pairs string B is to 10 and string C is to 20. The value corresponding to string X is another dictionary containing key value pairs string Y is to 80 and string Z is to 90. Now, you can access the value corresponding to the key string A by simply executing D of a dictionary containing key value pairs string B is to 10 and string C is to 20 is obtained as an output. Now, to access and display the value corresponding to the key string C in this dictionary, you can execute print D of string A string C. The corresponding value 20 is displayed. Similarly, you can access the value corresponding to key string Y in the dictionary corresponding to string X using D of string X string Y. As expected, the value 80 is obtained as an output.